So today we will be discussing a DataQ. Let me tell you usage. I mean, where you will decide to write DataQ. The first thing is because I mean, knowing a DataQ how it works, that is a different thing. The first, where we will be writing. Anywhere we can write it? No. Usually, no. I will tell you. The good thing of DataQ is this is the fastest way of asynchronous communication. Asynchronous communication, guys, know or not? It's like if I will send a request to somebody and then I will forget. He will reply. Suppose 10 requests I sent. So it's not like first request I sent, a first request reply I got it. First request I sent, second, third, tenth. 10 reply he will say in a reply only I will the way I will send that I should get a reply in reply only I should find it out. This reply is for which request. So it's not like a sync. Like first I sent to first I will get first it. No. I sent to 1 to 10, probably 10th reply I can get it first. So it depends upon how they are processing. For DataQ, asynchronous communication. There is no communication between reply and request connection. Uh, so coming back to where we use most of the time, wherever scheduler job will be running there, or if I have to communicate between two different systems at that time, I need a data queue. I will tell you example. If um, uh, I have a mainframe, I have a AS400. Now, it's for particular request like employee detail. Entire employee application is there in AS400. But screen and other things, suppose you have created in the mainframe. Each time, if suppose employee detail you have to get it, so what they will do, mainframe will send a request, make a connection, they will send a request and they will put in a queue. On AS400, there has to be a job running 24 by 7, which is listener, which will monitoring to uh, uh, this queue. Whenever any data will come in a data queue, it will pick that, it will go, it will process in all programs, whatever you have to do it, you will get it, and it will, once you got the result, you can put a result in some different data queue. Now in the mainframe, there also, uh, there will be a listener, which will be listening to another data queue. I can show you through Excel sheet, I believe. That will be better.
Once it is catched by the calling programs of the data queue will become empty.
Yes, that I will tell you. That is different thing. The first you should learn why. So here is suppose mainframe or Java. I will take example of Java, and here is AS400. Fine. Take this. Okay. So here, this is this is Java, and this is AS400. What it will do? Java will send you a request. Here is request. So what in the request, what it will do? It will send that, suppose SSN number for sent to AS400. So here AS400, what it will do? Here it will be having a receiving queue. I mean here DataQ data queue for request. So here it will be monitoring this data queue AS400. Cinemas we are getting right. Yeah. Here it will monitor. So this job will be running always. Will monitor. In AS400, a program we will write it, and that program will submit in a job. and that program will be running 24 by 7. So that program will be running always. The moment you will call, it will be kind of infinite loop, you can say, and it will waiting for a data queue. The moment any data will come here, it will go, it will process, and result it will put it in another different data queue. Suppose this is data queue 1, data queue 1. So here it will put a result in data queue, DTAQ2, and it will, so this will be a response. Now mainframe again here, it will be monitoring this data queue. Mainframe different program. This is also running in a infinite loop. So it will be monitoring this one, and the moment data will come, then it will take that data. Now in a data queue, like you told, whenever you will take the data, data will be, I mean, whenever you will read the data will be lost. It's actually, it's a queue concept. It's not like this one. Queue concept, what will be there? Whenever I will serve, like earlier also I told you, 1, 2, 3 person are there, and this is the main. The moment I will serve this guy, it will be gone. So here also, the moment this program will serve for data queue 1, the data will be gone and it will be taken here. So most of the time, data queue will be worked in this type of scenario, or even in the AS400 also sometimes we do. Different two units are there, like banking domain and insurance, or three, four sections are connected. So they are also like, if any request from banking is coming, so they here a job will be monitoring always and with a data queue, and it will, the moment your request will come, it will read and it will process it. So data queue is again, it's a queue where whichever request will come first, it will be served first. Correct? Correct, Srinivas? Getting or confused? Okay. Because till now, no technical, only it's a kind of process. I am telling you why we need. So that you at least you should understand. Technical is a different thing, right? Um, uh, I will tell you why. I mean, how all these things happen. Uh, for anything, like whether you know whatever the scheduler job I told you, you guys understood or not. You understood or not? I think you did not understood scheduler. Srinivas, did you understand the scheduler? What exactly scheduler? Yeah. No, no, that's what here I am telling you. A job will be running in 24 by 7. So this is like, uh, how I will say, uh, it's a kind of a person who will be always waiting for you. If the moment you will go there, so he will be available. Um, the scheduler is kind of a program. I mean, we will be submitting a job, and it's a program which will be running 24 by 7, and it's just monitoring you, what you are doing. The moment data will come, then it will take you. So it's a kind of like traffic police, police also. Uh, like whenever you will break your signal, uh, uh, camera or something is monitoring you 24 by 7, right? The moment you will break, they will catch you. So here also, so so here the moment you will process it, the data will come. It's monitoring always. It's seeing you what this data queue activity is. The moment data will come in a data queue, it will read that. Till data is not there, it will wait. It will waiting. How long? 2 days, 3 days, it will be waiting. The moment data will come, it will be processed. So data keep a scheduler. So I will show you how we create those programs. What, Srinivas? That we can do it. I will demonstrate whatever I am saying. So what we will do, RPG1 I will write here, RPG2 will be here. and RPG1, EMP RPG1 and EMP RPG2 will be like this. In that one only I will try to implement. I will show you because we cannot do through Java and all. So we will do through this one only. RPG1 will send a SSN number for display file. So it will go, it will read and it will process it. Right?
Both
So,
are in same system.
huh?
RPG1,
Yeah.
RPG2.
Huh?
Same system.
There also you can do it. So that's why this is the fastest way of communicating between programs. Even for program also, if you are using, this is the fastest way of communicating between your programs. Right? So let me show you couple of things here. Couple of APIs are there, like receive data queue, send data queue. Couple of other APIs there, but receive data queue and send data queue. I will show you just a few programs, so probably you may get familiar with, and then only I will do a coding. Otherwise, I will explain everything. See, MPRPG data 1 queue and data queue 2. So what thing we have to do it? Send the data queue. Send the data queue. This is a IBM supplied program. Queue send data queue. So here data queue name, data queue library, data queue length, and data queue data. So if you will see here, data queue name, whatever the queue you will create it, its name will be the library list or whatever library, length and data. Here it will be queue data. So whatever the data you will be passing from here. So here suppose I will be passing SSN number. So SSN number will be passed from here. Data queue length. So it will calculate length will be here. So where we are using the same data queue. So I will show you. So in queue name, queue library, queue length, queue data. So what we are doing, three return code, mode, and SSN number we have to pass it. So we will be passing in this way, right? SSN number we are passing. I mean SSN number all these three. Then length, queue library, and queue name. So queue name and queue library we can initialize and we can do it, right? So what I am doing, first I am putting in a data queue, and then I am calling that program without any parameter. So whatever parameter we were passing, and now I am passing through data queue. If you will come back to this program, here receive data queue, RCV queue. Receive data queue, this will be having a 5 parameters. Queue name and library, length, data, and wait time. How long it should wait? If you wait, you will put in a 0 or -1, so always it will be waiting. If wait, you will put a 10 second, so it will go after 10 second it will be checking. If you will put a 0, then immediately always it will be checking whether data came or not. So we will go to receive data queue. So if you see here, the moment like earlier we did through star in triple list, I commented around. Instead of doing that, I'll be checking here do until data queue and queue wait 100 seconds I put. So after each 100 seconds it will check whether data came or not. Once it will check now like 7:33, so it will check after in 7:34 like once 100 seconds will be over. If you will put it here 0, then after each second it will be checking 8 milliseconds. So sometimes your data flow will be very high. So at that time, what we can do, we will put it 0. So immediately it will be checking without waiting time. So in receive data queue, if it will you will see. So we are checking here. Okay, okay, and always it will be in a loop. This, I mean, two places I have written. Only one it has to be there. Two times I am checking. It should not. Or only one is will be 0 if you write it immediately, and after that, the value will get in a queue data. So queue data again I am passing those data like using substring and I will getting in here. Yes, Srinivas. Any question? Yeah, please. Yeah, ask your question. Srinivas. No, no, I don't have a question. Oh, you don't have question. Okay, okay. So this is the thing. In a data queue, send data queue. So here, so see here, uh, this will do send dta queue. Here you have to have a receive data queue. DTAQ. Again, you wanted to return that result to this one. So here again you have to send DTAQ and here it has to be received data queue. Right? So in this way, we can implement a data queue. So what we will do, but in here I am not doing a send data queue in AMP RPG2 because we are not returning anything. We are just updating a database. So this section is not required. Only I am sending data queue and receiving data queue. So let us first create a data queue and then we will be doing CRT DTA queue. The data queue name. What data queue name? So I can say SVEMP. SVEMP DTA queue. Type if you see standard display DDM, so it will be not DDM. So maximum length I can keep a 50. Force to exotic FIFO. So here also keyed also see FIFO, LIFO and keyed. First in, first out, last in, first out and keyed. So we will be creating a FIFO. If you wanted to create a keyed also, you can create it. So in a create you have to key length, all this detail you have to provide it. If you are going for FIFO, first in, first out. So data queue done. So data queue creation is there is nothing. Now coming to our program. So what I will do. So in which library I created? Okay, fine. Here what I will do, I will copy this SVMP RPG DataQ EMP DQ1 and this one I will copy SVMP RPG I am removing. DataQ 2. SVMP DataQ 1 and DataQ 2. So here, uh, whatever this I am passing now, it's gone. Only earlier. So what we will be doing? We will be do RP
send data to
SNDDTAQ. Send data queue has how many parameters? P lib library P DTAQ data queue name P length length. So library name will be 10 length. Data queue length will be also 10. P length will be 5 numeric. I can put it. And D P D T A data will I can keep 50, right? Hmm? Now what I have to do?
so that is the yeah, send data queue is a system software.
Hmm?
You have to keep queue send to data queue.
Oh yeah. So here whenever we are moving, so we have to put that, right? So let me do one more thing. So um, for this one, let us declare these local variables. You see. So what I will do, library I know. So I will initialize ing library list. SVMP SVMP DTAQ and length and those things data will be calculated at that time. So here whenever we are doing this, so instead of calling this, what we can do here is, so in the data this one we have to pass, right? So first, if you see in the same way, we will pass p mode SSN and return code. So how we will be passing a p mode? So p mode will be 1 character length, right? So what we will be doing, um, uh, percentage SUBST, this will P DTAQ 1 to 1 will be P mode. I mean not P mode. P mode is gone, right? So PSSN, right? P. Sorry, yeah, P mode. P mode. Then 2 to 9 will be P and 10 to 10 to 1, that will be RDT, right? Huh? Oh, is it? Okay. So it will be 7. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is link 7. then this will be 8, and then and that 8 plus 9, 17, and so 17. So here, so now I will remove this maintenance. I will be calling without any system. So before to that, we have to call the data queue, right? CND data D8. I think I have written. So first is P lib, then P DTAQ, then P length, P D DTA. So how I will get my length? Um, P length equals to percentage length of P DTA data. Whatever the P data length that we have to pass through a P length. So that's it. So this will, what we are saying, library and data queue already we have populated. P length and P data we have populated here. So wherever maintenance we are using, we will be using now in this way. So let us copy this section of code. I think two more places we are calling, right? In the process of routine. So instead of doing this, I will comment this maintenance and Srinath, are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is our program, right? Let me, anything I am missing?
Yeah.
Why in this way, sir? What do you wanted to see there? There's nothing, right? So let me compile this. And then normally, let us see what issue is happening. Probably naming some name I have written wrong. Let's see. Okay, so many. So you guys tell me how to resolve this. Okay, this. And something will be. Yeah, what? Yeah. Yeah, tell me, Sinath.
Then nothing, sir.
Oh, D A D A. Okay, so this will be solved, but let us again compile and we will see the new school. Obviously, because I know the substring we are getting error at substring. So all that for this one only. Type of left hand and right side. So that is numeric. So what I can do is for P mode, PSSN sorry. So what I can do it insert percentage character. I'll convert this in a character. Coming back to where all I have. So here also what I will do, third percentage character. I'll convert this into, because PSS to marry, so I'm just converting into character. So now here it should take probably still one time you will get either some. Let us see what is happening. Yeah, let us see. Now 2, so 3. The start position of substring is greater than string length. Okay, substring is too big, parameter is ignored. So I think the whatever the substring, the positioning we have done it, that is we have done it wrongly. P mode, what is the length of mode? P mode. P mode is 7, PSSN 9, 0, return code is 1. So P 1 to 7 is fine. 1 to 7. So 8, 9, 17. So this will become on 18. 8, it will start from 1 to 7 is, see, I will write it here. Now it will be something like 1 to total 17 now. DISP, sorry, DISP LAY display 3, 3, 6 and 7, and then suppose SSN number I will pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I will pass return code as a blank. So it will be I will write for blank B, and then we'll see what all position we have to take it B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 to 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That is correct. How come it's saying this was correct, man? DTAQ 50. That is fine. What I have written here. It looks fine to me. Starting position 8, starting position 17. I think this one is starting return code only. Probably it can be 18. So total it is 7 and 9, 9, 7, 16 and 17. So this is fine. Okay, let me see. I think I have written in this way: 1 to 1, 2 to 7, 2 to 7, 9, 9 to 9. So here it is little different. P mode 1 to 7. Character. Let me go through the full file one again. Let me decompile. I will check a full again. I know it won't compile. Better. The start position for Percentage substring greater than string length. Substring is ignored. The third parameter for percentage is too big. Parameter is ignored. Third parameter is too big. Okay. Okay. Third parameter for the substring.
Third parameter.
Nine. Correct. How can I say? Hmm. The start position 70 for substring greater than.
Length 10.
How come length 10? The third parameter 9. For percentage is too big parameter. Greater than string length. Why you put it?
Ana. Bana. Challenge పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు చెప్పు. సరే సరే సరే.
I written p data instead of p data data. I have to do on p data, right? I have written data q. That's what it was taking. Uh, if you see here, uh, I have to substring the data, not data q. That's it. I think that was it. Here also I will just remove. I think we are done now. We will be able to compile. Yep. CRT PGM. Yes. So we created the first program. So send data queue part we did it. Coming back to receive data queue. So this will be SNDDTAQ. And here
Sir, it's not. We call you back. Could you please get back? Hello.
yeah.
Not visible. Means
Okay.
cursor is not.
Okay. So I disconnect and reconnect.
Yeah, that's better. Yes, sir.
Yes, Srinivas. So you are able to see, right?
Yeah.
Now coming back to second program. So here we did in a free format, a fixed format. Um, so in a star entry, wherever star entry is there, now we will be doing a receive queue, right? This I will comment this line. Okay. So now what we will be doing, This program, see, it will be in a loop do until p dta equals to star blanks. See, into. So here what we are going to do, see, call p rcv dta q. So here also we have a plib, then p dtaq, then p length, p dta, and p weight. That's what send data queue is only 4 parameters, receive data queue 5 parameters. So here p weight I put it. Now I have to, like, what I'll do, wait time I'll put it as 0. So it will keep on um, p weight. Sorry, eval now. Eval weight. Now once you will get the data, so what you have to do? I have to pass the data, right? So I will do eval p. First one is mode. P mode equals to percentage sub st. Whatever I did it there, the same I have to do it, right? P dta 1 length is 7. Mode PSSN, that will be 8 to 9. Excuse me. And percentage int. PSSN is a numeric field. Now, if you will put a percentage int, there might be a chances that system may crash if you will get a error. So it's better to do a error handling. What I will do, I will put that is a monitor. Monitor. And
Sir, what is the purpose of monitor here?
percentage int. When you will be using a percentage int, if p data is a junk or blank, then substring whatever you will do, and after that try to percentage int junk. If you will do junk percentage int on junk, program will crash. So you will get a decimal data error. So to avoid that, I did monitor on error. What we can do is, if my SSN is this one, then I will do eval in the program star in lr star on and return. From here only I will end. I won't continue because SSN is the key. If SSN only I won't get, then I will just come out. So this I wrote it. Now I have to write a procedure prototype to receive the data queue, right? So here we will be. So I will just copy the exactly for send data queue whatever is there. Only I will add one length. SEND. Okay. This is time length, wait time. Some I think I have to put it. That is standard. At that time here, so it is RCVDTA Q RCV DTQ, that is fine. And here we will be using RP P wait. P wait time some 10 or something. Let us see what. Like 50 here I have taken. So let us take UAT here 50 only. Right? And I think now we are good to.
Wait, we have to declare some.
Yeah. Not wait all parameters.
For internal process, we have to declare this as before
Hmm?
we are using this as in our program, so that's why only we are declaring.
No. We are going to deploy. So DataQ 2. DataQ 2. Now let's see whether our call is working or not. SVEMPDQ1, right? Append of SVEMP. Oh, I think. Why man?
Application error
Opening of its SVEMPF. That is different here, not it's related to. Mm, let me check library list. Mm. DSP job log. What email is there, man? CPF 416. Oh, trigger program. We added a trigger also. Uh, uh, uh. We added a trigger in this file, right? DSPFT SVEMPF. Let me see. Sanjeev 161 is speaking. So here we have added a trigger, right? Work object. Work SVEMPF. In both it is there. Hmm. Okay. This is 161. So where is my trigger PGM?
16B we have to use 769 we will do.
Sorry?
16B we have to.
That's what I have to just check the trigger. Where is it? I think it comes beginning only. Not that.
BRGPG this one open.
Okay. Due to this one only, it is happening. Okay. Okay. What I'll do? This is happening due to library list. And here we don't have trigger. Here we have a journal. When I also trigger library is this. What is it? 16. So I don't want to do this one. Remove that one. Yes, TRGPG. I can do it. I mean, just removing that object. No, let us call. Let's see. Because default library is this one, 161. So it's trying to pick from 161. Let me check whether I can change my user profile or not. For user current libraries, I will make that as 160. Oh. Something was there, man. Some command was there. Current to current make that as a current library. Default library, current library, something was there.
Current library we can use it. We can make it as user library.
Some command was there. I remember, like long back was using. But, how to make that as a default? Else I have to move all these things to Sanjeev 161. Then only it will work. That I can do it. Whatever I did it here now. I have to copy this. Now it will work. Only due to 16B, these things are happening. So where is SV? Yeah. Okay. So let me do a create PGM. Both I have created in Sanjeev 161. Then call SVEMP DQ1. Now it's not. Ah, while performing implicit open operation on the file, the actual file is saved. TRG-PGM is not found. Program TRG-PGM in Solid 161 not found. What OBJ TRG-PGM? Ah, it's not there. So let me. So you guys got getting what problem I am facing? Or no? Let me combine now. What's it called? Earlier also it would have called, but with 3 years the program was not there in 161. I should create in 161, so again I recreated in 16B. So that was the. So if I do F6, it's a data queue. Now data queue here data queue things care. Send a queue library list queue send data queue ended in error. So this we will check why it's error. The application ended because of exception occurred. The name of the program to which the unhandled exception.
Does not have the semi-statement of the name showing the value because the clear value was not available.
Yes, this is not found because we created in 16B and now it's finding in 161. So let me create this in 161. Create data queue. So I will just create in 161. Now if I call and if I call F6, oh, still F1 773. Let me check. SBEMP DTAQ not found library. Library this one. It's going wrongly. The name and data queue library name and data queue is going wrongly. Okay. Where is that? First is library. Library is this. I think. Okay. Q S and D. I think I have written the parameter wrongly. First will be parameter will be data queue. Second will be library, I believe. First name is data queue. Second is library. Third is length of data. Fourth is data. So I have written library first and data queue second. So that is the reason. So see, if you see here, library first and data queue second. So I just have to move this. So let me create this. And then here also data queue has to be first, then length data, then okay. Because this is PR and this one we cannot decide. System already this is system one, right? So we have to just use that. So let us call now F6. Still, odd man. 10. Library SVMP data queue not find. Why it's so going as a library? I changed, right? Data queue plib is Sanjeev 161 pdta queue equal to svmp dta queue. Correct. Look like I have to put a debug then. Here e data queue. Let me check the receive data queue. Q RCV dta queue. Here also the same parameter has to be there. First data queue name, library name, length of data, data, wait time. First data queue, then library, fine, same way, length, data, and then p wait time. Oh, it's good. I don't know. Okay, let me do what obj svpmp dq will delete all previous object. Start all. What I'll do, I will delete everything. Let me recreate freshly. If this time it won't work, then I'll put a debug. I do not want it to put a debug. Yeah, look like I have to put a debug. Where in this which program it's happening? Where is debug? Huh? I put. Oh, I did not started the debug, right? strdbg svemp dq1. So svemp dq2 also I put. Date production equal to star yes. dq. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me fex fmt because before to that everything is fine. Here I'll put a debug f6 f12. I can click on f6. So let us see what plib is going. Plib is going. Oh, this also I have to change, right? This will first parameter p data q and this one is what this is due to this one it's happening. Both places. Because I changed there, this also p d t a q plib. And this need to be changed in this place also. P D A Q. and here also lib so now sorry that I did it. In receive data queue also I have to do that p dta q p so see this is nothing but how to catch your errors. Because when you will compile, you will be getting this one. So sometimes it happens like you will be doing in different way. Ah, pointer or parameter error. I mean, this is send data queue is working fine. Pointer or parameter error. That let us see what is that. RPG, SPMP, RPG twin programs. This one. Ah, it's going to 16B. Why it's calling 16B? It's calling SPMP. Oh. I modified the program that I got it. What is happening? I modified the program, but here it I have to change, right? SVEMP DQ2 program name I did not change. Maintenance for this to do this one only. Now it should it will now it will be there. Now it has to. Huh? Now it's starting to get receive detection. Let me see what is that. Library not found. Okay. Where is library? Lib INZ. I'm doing version you 161 and there also I have to change ing svdt svemp dtaq. Not here only, here also I have to change svemp dtaq. Yeah. See, small, if you won't be having a proper concentration, so all these things happen. For a small thing, now it started working. The thing is, we faced a badly with a library list. It should not hardly it was 20 minutes job. Library list issue and due to library list, I mean we messed up the parameters and but anyway, so now we are able to call if you see in all scenario we are able to it's working fine, right? Correct, Srinivas?
Yes, sir.
So here this is the data queue. What exactly we did it. Let us come back if you wanted me to explain in a program.
Yeah.
So what we did, we created a data queue. We created a data queue. Now what we are doing, a send data queue will send the data into data queue, and now receive data queue will receive the data from data queue. So what we did it from SVMP DQ1 we are sending the data queue, data into whatever my data queue, and in next program I am just receiving a data queue. So my now program communication is happening through data queue instead of parameters. Now we are doing through a data queue, correct?
Yeah.
So this is the thing how data queue will work. Let me